Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Middleton's going to bring you your next assignment here. We just finished the cylinders. With this one, we're going to work with the block form, as Mr. Middleton mentioned yesterday, okay? Now, for this assignment, what you're going to do, you're going to find 4 block or cube-based objects you can find around your house, okay? So, jewelry boxes, erasers, square batteries, iPhone chargers. Again, look for objects that have a block-like form, like this charger, or even the eraser, or like a battery, or it might even be a toy or something like this, okay? Again, something that has the block form, and you know, you'd be like me, you might have an old brick later on or something like that, okay? And what you're going to do is, again, you're going to draw your 4 objects. So for example, I'm going to set up my charger, and I'm going to look at it from this point of view. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch that block form the way I see it. Okay, so I'm moving through. I'm not going to make this video too long, but as you can see, I'm drawing this from observation. So I'm going to get that angle. I'm going to bring that around. Don't worry if you make mistakes, it's okay. We're just learning, okay? But as I'm studying these forms, I want to look at the values, I want to look at the shadows. Here's where these little things are. It's going to indicate how the angle is. Draw light until you like what you see. Okay? I'm going to clean some of this stuff and everything out as I go. Now you see how the sides of this are darker. So I want to show that in my sketch. And then the best way to learn shadow, you see that shadow right there? That's going to help me learn how a shadow goes, okay? Again, this is nowhere near finished. Again, I'm going to use the edge of my lid to shade this in. I'm going to come over here to this side. Just try to use what little bit of an edge I've got of my pencil. And as always, we want to turn lines into edges. So again, I'm just studying my actual object. Okay. It's a little bit darker right there. Okay. Something like this. Now we've got that little inner area. You see how this is a little bit darker than that? We want to show that. Again, it's just a sketch. Show where the values are, where it's light and where it's dark. And then of course the shadow. And I'm outside, so the shadow is changed with the moving of the clouds. Okay. Again, that's going to help me get my shadow. So that's my first one. Now, for example, if I want to come up and draw my battery, I'll set it up, sketch it just the way I see it, and get that shadow. Okay? Mr. Middleton will talk more about this in class. Thanks.